the oil and gas industry, compliance with environmental regulations is not just a necessity, it's our responsibility. The Quad OOOOb requirement mandates methane emission monitoring for all new compressor rod packings that are new, modified, or reconstructed after December 6, 2022. Introducing the EcoFlow Kit by Ecotec. Made in the USA, it's the optimal solution to ensure your compression packages are Quad OOOOb compliant while saving you money by preventing unnecessary annual compressor rod replacements. With a measurement range of 0 to 100% methane and an accuracy of positive to negative 2% reading, the EcoFlow Kit is designed for precision. The advanced laser and vane anemometer sensors ensure accurate and reliable readings, all while making your Quad OOOOb requirements a breeze. Operating in a wide range of temperatures and humidity, the EcoFlow Kit is built to perform under various environmental conditions. Portability is key in our industry. The compact size and minimal weight of the EcoKit is designed with the field operator in mind. Weighing only 10.2 pounds, the EcoFlow Kit is easy to transport and set up. With an all-day battery, you can be insured for long-lasting performance. The EcoFlow Kit can sample particles greater than 20 microns on a wet or dry basis, providing flexibility in various operational scenarios. Designed to withstand the elements, the EcoFlow Kit can operate in a wide range of weather conditions, from 14 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit and between 5 to 85% relative humidity. With a flow rate of 0 to 16 SCFM, the EcoFlow Kit ensures efficient and effective sampling of practically all rod packing scenarios. The EcoFlow Kit allows operators to screen their affected sites with approved advanced technology, compliant with Method 2D as required by Quad OOOOb. This ensures that your operations are always in compliance. Choose Ecotec's EcoFlow Kit, the reliable solution for Quad OOOOb compliance. Together, let's build a sustainable future.